Hi and welcome to my playhouse, and today I'm nowhere near my playhouse. I'm in Portugal, and this is way out in the country, and I am at Cindy Vine's place. I visited this last year, and it has gotten a lot bigger since then. It has gotten 2 buildings and a Cindy showing up in the background, and yeah, I'm gonna be helping another guy, another YouTuber here from Portugal, Nick, building some wall today on Cindy's place. So Nick has been working on this for weeks, and Nick is kind of the local hero here because he goes around and he helps all the YouTubers with their building projects. So I watch a lot of the channels from down here, Central Portugal, Castelo Branco and that area around here. And ever so often Nick shows up in somebody's video doing some kind of work. So let's have a little look around. So this is Nick's, and he uses that to mix up concrete, and it's very cool. It's mobile. Cindy is not on the grid, so she's working off solar power, so it's very handy that this runs on gasoline. Over here is the crew in the blue shirt. That's Nick and Cindy and Julian.
Next channel is
oh yeah,
Project Portugal.
Project Portugal, and Cindy Vine's channel is Cindy Vine, and
Cindy Vine Portugal.
Julian doesn't have a channel yet.
He just appears in all our channels.
He's rather famous though. So yeah, I'm gonna be trying and give a hand here as good as I can. It's not exactly my area of expertise, but I'll do my very best.
We'll teach you. You'll be learning. No problem at all.
I got some fun. This is Tandy. She's new. Cindy got her just a week after I visited last. So she's a big dog now. She was a little puppy when I saw her in the videos just a week after I was here. So now I'm mixing up another batch of concrete. We have been putting up rocks here, getting this wall up a bit higher. So apparently there's going to be some windows in the middle here, and then the side I think is going to be built up further. But yeah, it's a lot of mingling rocks around. So this is almost like filming in a data center. A lot of noise in the background, and then you're trying to explain something over here. It's just like at home.
She starts trying to run towards the fence over here, but those teats are really big at the moment. It's gonna come soon.
So we're still working on the wall here, and it's climbing up rock by rock, and it's getting really difficult to satisfy Nick with square rocks. It's getting more or less in
just square.
Square-ish rocks.
This is no good.
He's probably going to use it anyway.
Yeah.
But yeah, this is very enjoyable-ish to try. So
You're doing an excellent job.
and then the recognition is outstanding.
Gone.
Aliens!
My gloves.
So I'm gonna stay out of this one. They're gonna go and do some beekeeping, and they have special suits for that. So
Yeah, I wouldn't advise coming along.
No, it's not a good idea. It could be a stinging experience. Ooh. This is amazing B-roll right there.
Right.
Oh, but now of course because I've got the gloves on, I can't feel what I'm doing here. I'm not tied in.
Thank you. Okay, work the way around?
Yeah, I think that will go. There we go. Right.
And we're indoors, and the smoker. And we're going to have a look at the bees. Because the guy that does hers has gone on holiday and he's not back for a while, so let's do it.
So the two aliens are moving that way. I'm gonna keep a safe distance, but the beehives. I think it's at that fluffy green thing there. I'm sure you can, if you are interested in bee stuff. I see that Nick is still filming it, so it will probably be available on his channel, what they did. And Tandy the dog, it would be smart to get out of there. So last time I was here, Cindy had 2 pigs, and now she has way more than that. That one is Cocoa Pop, and she's pregnant. So it could be any time soon. So it's very amusing watching Cindy's channel, because she gets to talk about weird stuff that we are not usually allowed to mention on YouTube, like body parts. Give us a smile, give us a smile, yeah, go. So this is a water mine, which is more or less just a hole in the ground where water comes up. I don't know how much, but well, it's pumped out of there and used. Not as drinking water, but as mostly everything else water. It looks kind of clouded right now. So, well, Cindy is fully off-grid here, and since last time I was here, she have had these 4 solar panels put up. She has been very lucky. She has had all kind of helpers coming along and helping her with, oh, for example, putting up solar panels. These are rather big solar panels. Let's go and check what they are at. Very handy that you can go beneath them. They're 330 watts. They deliver something like 37.83 volts. The open circuit voltage is 45 volts. So 330 watts, pretty cool. So combine all of them, I'll get it to be about 1320 watts under optimal conditions and downhill with the wind and the lag. So, and they're wired and they come over here, goes in this black conduit which has come out of the ground here. Looks like a snake, but it goes this way and over to a battery box over there. Well, there's a charge controller first. The ground is ever so slightly uneven here, so that's why the unsteady hand here. So they go into this box, and the key is here, and I'm gonna let myself in and show you around. So there is a really nice charge controller in there, a hybrid one, because it can also do power from the generator here. And you can kind of press through the menu and see its input is 74 watts, is 74 volts. It goes up and down. Can you see that? It's a 24 volt system. Input 93 watts. Battery voltage is at 25.2. That's a bit low. To do. Okay, but you see the wires from the solar panels comes in here. There's a breaker on off switch for the battery bank, but the battery bank goes out that way, and over here is power into the house. I'm not sure which wire is which wire. One of them, oh, the white one goes to the generator and the black one must be the house power. Oh, there's even a grounding thing. That's nice. And down beneath it is a battery box, which a guy from the Netherlands, Raymond, just made last week, I'm told. So there's 4 big lead acid batteries in here that need some cleaning. But the battery box looks really nice. So that is cool. So everything is being run off of those batteries, and that's those solar panels. But there is the possibility of running it from the generator, from petrol. I wonder if the microphone is picking up what they're saying. That's a big benefit of having a camcorder. Cindy has made chocolate cookies, so we are munching of those. And Nick is going home in a little bit. But the wall is coming up. I have my own stone, I'm told. This is the Morton stone, because it's very pointy at the end here. So everybody who goes too close to the stone will have their clothes ruined. So now that's the Morton stone. I don't know, it's kind of, I think it's funny. So yeah, I'm very jealous on the rocks that they have here, because the rocks that we have in Denmark, they're all round rocks, and it's very difficult to do something like this when all the rocks are round. Well, mostly there are round rocks left here too, so we have been trying to find something that will go in somewhere. It's gonna look really nice at some point. There's a bit of work still, but the system is that you make a nice face on one side, and you make a nice side on the other side, and then you fill in the middle with stuff. And I was doing a bit of this. And then you do a little bit here, and you do a little bit there, and then it has to dry up for a couple of days, and then you do a little bit more. Spoiler alert! So now it's getting to be feeding time, and the
Feeding time for pigs.
And the pig choir is starting up in the background.
Yeah.
And Julian is going to show me what he's been working on, because he has been improving the pig pens, and I asked. So we're going to go see what that's all about.
Well, today, basically, because Cocoa Pop is due to pop any day soon, the maternity pen is needed securing so we don't have piglets escape. What I've been doing is I've been putting the chicken mesh all around, and what's the difficult part is all the little knitting. We're attaching it to the original fence and then getting it all sort of tight. And I've been doing all around.
How far did you get?
Today I've managed to get almost to the far corner here. Just down through.
So this is for the little pigs to not go wander off when they're born.
Because they'll be too small and they'll go straight through the sheep netting.
Through the there is big fencing, and then there is smaller fencing. Okay.
Yeah, I've been basically putting the smaller fencing on and retensioning all the original wire, and pulling it all in nice and taut. What I may well do is still put another skirt around as well, just to double secure.
Like the wooding over there?
Yeah.
Okay.
We call it a skirt.
A skirt?
Yeah. It's like a skirting board basically.
For the pigs not to escape?
Well, it stops them pushing under and pushing the fencing out, because this will tend to move.
Even there is even barbed wire down there.
Yeah. That was the original.
There's a lot of work that goes into this, keeping the pigs inside.
Yeah, definitely.
They're little Houdinis.
Such a weight they push. With the ground being soft, post move, fencing comes loose.
Thank you.
That's good, Julian. No piglets will get out.
Hopefully not. It might still need a skirt, but
Yeah. I think there's more than one piglet in there.
isn't it?
Oh, the teeth at the back are almost like
Feeding time at Cindy's farm.
Yes. Feeding time at the zoo.
And they are fighting over it. And pushing each other.
Oh no, they fight all the time.
So now they're pumping out water for the pigs. So it, well, this one sucks up the water to the pump. It makes negative pressure and it pumps it out that way. So let's go see where that ends up. And last time I was here, Cindy got some of these joints and stuff, so I never got to see this working. So this is where the pigs drink. They have those metal things on the bell here, and I'm told that they're called pig nipples, and they can push that and then the water will come out. So always fresh water in the bell. And now it was turned off. And then Julian is going to turn it on down here, I guess. This is a copyrighted thing that Cindy came up with, because the pigs keep turning the water things around, so now they're inside tires. Your invention here, does it have a name?
The entire water.
The entire water system. Yeah, that's a good thing. That's a good name for it. So I've been enjoying my day here at Cindy's farm and doing a bit of work together with Nick, and now got to see the animals getting watered and fed, and I'm running out of battery. I am the jerk that left for Portugal and forgot one of my camera batteries at home, so I only have one camera battery, which is really stupid. So someone needs to go and buy a power bank so that I can, well, record ever so slightly more than just what's on one very well used and old battery. So thank you very much for watching my videos. Do subscribe to my channel so that you can see me again, and have a really nice day. And I made it before the battery ran out.